you're doing great today. If you don't know me, my name is Areli, and today I want to share with you some Disney facts and some Disney information, especially regarding Mickey's 90th birthday, which is next month. So this is a subject that really excites me and that I'm really passionate about. So I'm gonna try to be short and to the point. So let's get started with this video. Okay, so first of all, let me give you a little bit of a background story. Next month on November 18th is Mickey's 90th birthday, and that is because in November 19th, 1928, it was his first appearance on a Disney movie. So that's when the character was born. There is a lot of things, a lot of events, a lot of amazing stuff that Disney is doing to celebrate Mickey's 90th, and one of those things is that they are doing a show. For instance, November 4th, they're gonna do a show with Mickey and all his friends. There's gonna be a lot of celebrities, there's gonna be music, there's gonna be a lot of cool stuff. They're gonna air it on November 4th on ABC. I'm not sure what time it is gonna be, but I'm going to leave you a link down below with all the information in case you're interested in watching it. Another thing they're doing is that they are putting merchandise out to celebrate Mickey's 90th birthday. Also across all Disney parks, they are doing special shows. They're doing special outfits for the characters. They just released the pictures of how the outfits are gonna look like. So if you are going to be at any of the Disney parks this season, make sure to check those out. I'm going to leave you the information below as well. Another thing they're going to do is a Mickey Mouse exhibition, and in this case I am super lucky because they're going to make it here in New York and nowhere else in the world. This exhibition is going to be open on November 9th and it's going to be open throughout until February next year. This is a big gallery, and there is a lot of artists that have collaborated to make this possible. I was looking at a kind of like teaser trailer of this exhibition and it looks absolutely amazing. So I am very excited to go to this exhibition. I passed by to the location where the exhibition is going to be, and it's decorated on the outside so pretty. If I have pictures, I'm going to leave them here on the screen so you can see. So if you happen to be in New York throughout this from November to February, make sure to check out this exhibition because I'm sure it's going to be amazing. I'm for sure going to be there, and if you would like me to do a little bit of a documentary of my trip to this exhibition, leave it in the comments below if you would like to see that. And another fun fact that I want to share with you is, I don't know if you know, but the Disney stores, most of the Disney stores around the world, do an opening ceremony every morning before they open the doors of the store. So how it works is basically the first person that gets there before they open is the one that gets chosen to open the Disney store. They do a whole show, like they put like a big lock and the whole crew of the Disney store is there and they make something special for them. Every Disney store is different. I've opened 2 Disney stores so far. I tried to open the one here in Times Square, but a little 5-year-old girl beat me to it. So I still have to do the Times Square Disney store, and I usually do it on my birthday. So far I've opened 2, as I told you. So once you get to open a Disney store, they give you a key like this one, which is a small version of the one that you actually use to open the store. So this one is from London, and this one is from Toronto. This was my first one. So this one's from Toronto, this one's from London. I still have to collect the one from New York. When I went to the New York Disney store opening ceremony, I noticed that they had a different key. As you see, these 2 are like the same. The one from the Disney store in Times Square is silver. And when I saw it, I was like, oh my god, why is that different? So I went and asked the lady. She told me that the only store in the whole world with a different key is the one in Times Square. So that gave me even more excitement to do the opening ceremony at the Times Square Disney store. So I am going to go, be sure about that. I'm going to go and collect my key, even though if it's not my birthday, I don't care. I was already there for my birthday. They gave me a birthday button. This is the one from Times Square, Disney Store Times Square. I also have the other two. This one's from Toronto and this one is from London. And they sing me happy birthday in the one for London. Oh my god, the crew did an amazing job. So I'm very, very grateful to the crew of the London store in Oxford Street. By the way, it was the one in Oxford Street. So, oh my god, you guys made my day so memorable and so magic, you have no idea. So obviously for this opening ceremonies that I did and for spending my birthdays at the Disney stores, I had some footage that I gathered from the 3 Disney stores. So I'm going to leave you a little bit of those videos here on the screen so you can see how it looks like to be a part of the opening ceremony of a Disney store.
Magical this morning? Right, are you stretched? Are you magical this morning? I think maybe we need some magic words. You know any magical words? Keep laughing and beautiful.
Oh my god.
You don't have to walk like the fairy godmother. Ready? 3, 4, 2. Oh, I think it's arrow there. It's coming, look. Thank you for helping us open the store. This is for you.
Okay, so moving on to the purchases I've made at the Disney store, especially the Mickey 90th birthday special edition merchandise. I got something that I am very excited about. So this merchandise they did for the 90th birthday is limited edition. So they only made a certain number of items. They distributed them throughout the world. Once they're gone, they're gone. There's not gonna be any more. And I got this gorgeous Mickey, golden Mickey. Is completely gold everywhere. It's kind of like a leather texture. And here it says Mickey 90th anniversary gold collection. These ones are gone. Like, I went to the Disney store last night. They don't have it anymore. So this one I got it on my birthday because that day it was like a coincidence that these merchandise came out. So I was very lucky to be at the store and I got to pick up whatever I wanted. So this is one of the things that I got and I think it's so pretty and I'm so lucky because I'm one of the only few in the world that has this. So I'm going to treasure it with my heart. When I was in London, when I went and did the opening ceremony there, I got this gorgeous water bottle. And it's so beautiful because it has Mickey and Minnie here, and it has all the highlights of London, all the buildings and all the cute things. And here it says, I love London. It's so pretty and it's so convenient. It has like a little straw here that you can pull up and down. And it has this handle that you can carry it with, and it's absolutely amazing. It's plastic, so I've dropped it so many times and like nothing happens to it, so it's absolutely gorgeous. The other thing that I got at the Disney store in London was this kind of like set. It's like a traveling set. So this is like a sleeve for your passport, and this is a tag that you put in your suitcase. This is Winnie the Pooh theme because it was when the Christopher Robin film came out. So this one has Winnie the Pooh and Piglet with some balloons, and this one says up, up and away with gold. It's so pretty. It's in like a baby pink, and this was on the baby section. I don't know why it was in the baby section, not like in the adult section. It says my first passport. Anyway, I didn't care that it was in the baby section, and I didn't care that it said my first passport, and this is not my first passport, but I thought it was very cute and I needed it because I was about to travel. I was coming from London to New York, so it was the perfect timing, and it's so cute. Last time I went to Disneyland, I got this fridge magnet that is also a frame, and I think it's so cute. It has Mickey and Minnie giving each other a kiss. As you can see, I haven't put a picture yet, but I usually put it on the fridge just because it looks absolutely gorgeous. It says Disneyland right here, and it was kind of like my souvenir that I got at Disneyland last time. Okay, so yesterday I went to the Disney store again, and I got this gorgeous ornament in the shape of Mickey's head, but that's not the only thing. It has a pair of socks inside. So when you open it, you get this gorgeous pair of socks. Look how cute they are. And also you get to close this up again. You can fill it with whatever you want, and you can get to hang it on your tree, and it's absolutely gorgeous. Isn't it super gorgeous? So you can get creative, you can paint it, you can fill it up with whatever you want, and you hang it on your tree. So it's kind of like a 2-in-1 purchase. Last time I was here in New York for New Year's last year, I got this gorgeous t-shirt at the Disney store. As you can see, it has the Mickey head, but inside is all the highlights of New York. It has Times Square, Empire State Building, Liberty Statue, Central Park, Brooklyn Bridge, everything, absolutely everything. And down here it says New York City. So I thought it was a very cute souvenir from New York City, but Disney inspired, and this t-shirt is absolutely gorgeous. I absolutely love it. And the last thing that I purchased at the Disney store last time was this gorgeous reusable bag that they are very trendy right now. But as you can see, it's like New York and Disney inspired, just like the t-shirt that I just showed you. This one is absolutely gorgeous. I think the size is perfect because it's not too big and not too small. It's black. It says I love New York. It has Mickey Mouse here, and on the side is red with Mickey Mouse heads all over. This is absolutely perfect, gorgeous, and it was only $5, so oh my god. And last but not least, yesterday as well, I went to Forever 21, and Forever 21 and Disney made a collaboration to come out with a collection Disney inspired. So I went over there and I found these socks. They are so gorgeous, and they are for Mickey's 90th anniversary. It says here on the tag. So these are very basic socks, regular socks, white with black dots, but it also has a Mickey Mouse here, and they are long like the ones I show you from the ornament. You can see they are still new. I purchased them yesterday. And the other thing that I found at Forever 21 was this gorgeous sweater of Minnie. She is kind of like modeling, very fancy, so I thought it was super cute. It kind of has like a tall neck, and I love the silhouette of it. I am absolutely in love with this sweater. I am sure I'm going to wear it a lot this winter season, and I think it looks absolutely gorgeous with these mini ears that I made, by the way. And this is the outfit I think I'm going to wear next time I try and open the Disney store at Times Square. Maybe they'll pick me this time if they see me dressed like this. So cross your fingers. And the last thing I want to share with you very quickly is that, sorry, I'm looking at my phone, I'm trying to open the app that I want to recommend to you. This video is not being sponsored by Disney. I am just like a huge Disney fan. There is this app called Disney Emoji Blitz, and it's kind of like a Candy Crush but better and Disney inspired. So you get to complete missions and you get to play against other people, you get to do events, and you get to do lots of stuff. You get prizes every day, you collect coins and gems so you can purchase more characters because you play with Disney characters, and they do events every now and then. Every time they put up a new Disney film, every time there's a holiday coming up, they came up with gorgeous and very fun events. So you play with Disney characters and you get to collect them all. And once you have the Disney characters here in your app, you are actually able to use them as emojis on your phone. That's why it's called Disney Emoji Blitz. So this is a super fun game. I've been playing it for as long as I can remember. You go up levels and you build up your characters and you get more and more powerful, and oh my god, it's amazing. It has like a lot of things. So I'm going to leave you down below the name or the link. You can download it for free. There is no charge. So I hope that you try it out and enjoy it. And that is it for this video. I hope that you liked it. If you know any Disney fans that will be interested in this video, please help me by sharing this video. If you like it, don't forget to hit the like button down below. And as you can see, I already started decorating for Christmas down here because Christmas time is coming. So I have a lot of videos. I already recorded a few of them. I already got all the materials and I already got everything to show you a lot of Christmas videos this season. So don't forget to subscribe down below and hit the notification bell so YouTube can let you know every time I upload a new video. And as always, it was a pleasure for me being here with you today, and I will see you very soon. Bye!